In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote products on WordPress.com with a simple tutorial tailored for beginners. Promoting your products online can significantly boost your business, and using WordPress.com is a fantastic way to achieve this. So let's dive into the process and get your products out there. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress.com account and navigate to your website's dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your site, where you can manage all the various settings and functions. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, and I'll guide you through each step. In the dashboard, you'll notice several options on the left-hand menu. For our purposes today, go ahead and click on Tools. This section houses various functionalities that can further enhance your site. From here, we'll move on to the Marketing option. Marketing tools on WordPress.com are essential for helping your products reach a broader audience. Within the Marketing section, find and click on Connections. This is where you can link your website to various social media platforms. By connecting these accounts, you can seamlessly share your content across multiple channels, broadening your reach and engaging with a larger audience. Let's begin by linking your website with Facebook. Just click on the Facebook option and follow the prompts to connect your account. This connection allows you to automate the sharing of your posts directly on Facebook, capitalizing on its vast user base for product promotion. Next, repeat a similar process for Instagram Business. Click on it and log in with your credentials. Instagram's visual nature makes it perfect for product engagement. By linking your Instagram, you can attract more customers through appealing visuals of your products right on their feeds. Additionally, let's integrate MailChimp with your site. Click on MailChimp and connect it to manage your email marketing more effectively. This integration allows you to send newsletters straight from your site, keeping your subscribers updated with your latest products and offers. Utilizing email marketing is a proven strategy to maintain engagement with your audience. Finally, link your site with Instagram. Separate from Instagram Business. This connection provides another layer to your social media presence, allowing you to maximize visibility and interaction on your posts. Consistent social media interaction is key to building a memorable brand identity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now connected your WordPress.com site with powerful social and marketing tools, effectively setting the stage for promoting your products to a wider audience. Make sure to consistently publish quality content and use these platforms to engage with your audience actively. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your WordPress site. Until next time, happy promoting!